To add a new sales refund invoice, the user must navigate to the Sales menu, click on the Transactions submenu, and select the Refund Invoice option. This will open the homepage of the Refund Invoice menu. To create a new refund invoice transaction, click on the Add button located at the top right corner of the header section. When the Add button is clicked, a new form will appear. Select the business unit for which the refund invoice is to be created. The transaction reference will be automatically generated as configured in the Reference Formula option under the Settings menu. Next, click on the Client field and select the desired client by searching with the exact alphabet keyword so that the system fetches the relevant result. The user can enter any special reference for this refund invoice transaction. The currency will be automatically fetched based on the selected business unit. Rates will be generated as per the values entered in the Settings menu. If no data is available, the system will fetch the rates from an online platform. The user can modify these rates during the transaction if required. The date field will be automatically filled with the current system date, but it can be changed to a previous date. The preferred rate field can also be edited if needed. Otherwise, the rate configured in the settings against the base currency will be displayed. The cost center can be selected from the drop-down list, either by scrolling or by filtering with the appropriate character. The payment method can also be selected from the drop-down list. By default, credit 15 days will be shown as configured in the System Configuration menu. Any additional notes can be entered in the Notes field. The Original Info field is a free text field where the user can mention details of the original invoice to which this refund belongs. If any attachments are to be included, they can be uploaded by clicking on the Browse option. In the Materials section, the user must select a material from the drop-down menu by entering the exact alphabet so that the relevant materials are listed for selection. The Warehouse field will be automatically filled based on the materials selected. The price will be fetched automatically as configured in the Material option under the Stock menu. Enter the quantity, then enter the discount and VAT percentages if applicable. Any material-specific notes can be entered in the respective field. To add multiple material entries, click on the green plus icon. The system will display a new empty row where the user can again select material, and the warehouse details will be fetched automatically. The system also allows users to add new materials dynamically. To do this, click on the plus icon and select the Material option. A new form will open to enter the material details. Similarly, users can add a new warehouse by clicking on the Provided option, which opens a new form to enter the required warehouse details. Additionally, the system provides an option to handle bulk processing by uploading materials in Excel format. Click on the icon shown, select Download Template, enter all material details in the downloaded Excel sheet, save it, and then choose Import from XLS to upload the data seamlessly. All the values entered above will be summarized in the Totals section, showing the total quantity of materials, total amount, total discount, and total VAT. The net amount for the transaction will also be displayed automatically. Once all details are reviewed, click on Save. The entered details will be saved successfully and can be viewed on the home page. Initially, the transaction will be in draft status, allowing the user to make necessary changes. To view a refund invoice transaction, click the View icon under the Action column. This displays the individual refund invoice transaction details. To edit a refund invoice transaction, click the Edit icon. The Add Refund Invoice screen will switch to edit mode, where the user can make changes and click Save to update the data. A transaction can only be edited when its status is draft. Once the status is changed to confirmed, no further edits can be made. A duplicate option is provided to minimize user effort. This option creates a duplicate entry of the refund invoice transaction with pre-filled data. The user can edit the necessary fields and click Save, after which the new entry will appear on the home page. If a user attempts to print a transaction while it is still in draft status, the system will display an error message. To print a transaction, the user must first confirm it by clicking on the Confirm option under the Action column. Upon approving the confirmation message, the transaction status changes to Confirmed. Then, click on the Print option under the Action column to view the refund invoice printout in a new tab. Note that printing is only available for transactions with confirmed status. The Delete option under the Action column will be disabled when the refund invoice transaction is in confirmed status. To delete a refund invoice transaction, ensure that the transaction is in draft status. Then click the Delete icon under the Action column. The system will show a confirmation message, and upon user confirmation, the refund invoice transaction will be permanently deleted.